All right, guys, before we start today's episode, quick update. I'm going to Greece tomorrow. I haven't been there for so long, about 10 years since my honeymoon. Yeah, really excited. I'm gonna vlog, gonna attempt to daily vlog this adventure. Hope you guys tune in. Please subscribe. I'm gonna see all my family for the first time in 10 years. It's gonna be exciting. We're gonna eat a lot of good food. We're gonna go to the beach like pretty much every day. So until then, enjoy this episode. These cookies are amazing. So make it happen. They're really good. Where is it, mommy? Come on, baby monster. What do you need? I got my hands full with this one. They're really, really good. Okay, so there's two aspects of the restaurant business that I could admit I'm not the best at. And number one, by a long shot, is waiting tables. Number two is desserts, pastries. I'm not the best baker. I love baking bread, but when it comes to sweets, it's not one of my talents. But once in a while, I do get inspired. And that's what happened today, so let's get started. So yeah, like I said, there's no way that I'm not a baker, so there's no way I could have recreated this recipe from my head. I found a recipe. I think it's gonna work. Let's find out. Wish me luck. Watch this episode fail. Watch this recipe fail the first time I make it. I'm not making it again, so I'm gonna go one time, one shot only. I'm confident though. I'm confident. We're gonna make it happen. I hope it comes out somewhere close to what Levain does down there. Even close, I'll be very happy. So let's get to work. So for the butter, I'm going pretty strictly to this recipe, but for the butter, I've decided to melt it down and brown it, just so we can get specific measurements. It says 1 cup of butter, chilled. So I'm gonna brown the butter, I'm gonna let it cool down in the fridge, and then I'm gonna chop it up into little pieces. So that's what we're doing. I think it's gonna have more flavor. Let's see. Alright guys, that's brown butter. So we only need 1 cup. We're going to put this in the fridge, let it solidify, break it down, and then we're good to go. Now we're going to toast off our walnuts. I'm gonna let these cool down before I do that. But you want to break them down, let them cool down, and break them up into decent sized chunks. Right now it's a little too hot. Now we're gonna cream our sugar and our butter together in a large mixing bowl, KitchenAid mixer. Yeah, mix that up, get it nice and creamy. And now the eggs. And now back in the fridge. Like I said earlier, the colder these are, when you form them and bake them, the larger the cookie's gonna be. So I guess I would say a minimum of 1 hour. But for best results, I think 1 to 2 days will be perfect. We don't have that kind of time here. So it's gonna be about an hour in the fridge, and then we're gonna bake them off. We'll see what happens. All right. First batch right there. And that's the second batch. I think that looks way better. Wow. Yum, yum, yum. Crumb, crumb, crumb. So, second forming looks way better. And now I gotta let these things cool off. Lighting is horrible. Now we gotta let these things cool down for about 10 minutes. Otherwise they're just gonna fall apart. The first batch is almost ready. All in all, this process has been pretty easy, straightforward. The only variation to the recipe that I added was the brown butter, but follow the recipe to a T. That's exactly what I did. Make sure your dough is cold all the way through, and yeah, that's it. The batch came out great. Oh yeah, cooling down now, holding together a little better. It's good? It's good? Right. Let's see. I'm gonna put a link to the recipe down below. Check it out. It's pretty spot on. And I think I like the brown butter. So try that out too. But anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Trip to Greece is coming up real quick. Really excited about it. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Christian, do you think I would make a good waiter?
No.